This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by syncing the codebase and staging your custom dataset so changes are trackable. Create a new branch and place labeled files into a /data directory. This ensures reproducibility. Next, define a clear schema for each record, field names, types, token, or sample limits, because the model needs consistent inputs. Once done, run a quick data validation script to catch malformed entries. This prevents wasted training time and subtle bugs later in the pipeline. You now ingest and preprocess so the model learns effectively. First, run deduplication and normalization, normalize encodings and formats to avoid silent errors. Then tokenize text with the exact tokenizer used by the target model and resize images to the required resolution, because mismatch causes poor convergence. After that, create balance train, validation, and test splits and export sharded datasets for distributed training. Make sure to log statistics and a few sample records. You begin training with a baseline config and monitor loss, accuracy, and key metrics in real time so you can spot problems early. Once the initial run completes, validate on the held-out set and compare to baseline, adjust augmentations, batch size, or learning rate as needed. Finally, package the model artifact, tag the version, and push it to your registry for deployment. If something goes wrong, first check data, shard integrity, and tokenization mismatch. Those are the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.